lizard's gonna go right here.
It's a word again.
Look at my
What are you
lizard.
gonna say?
It's a word again.
What's your name?
Hi, my name is Ryan.
Don't say it, Daddy. Daddy, my lizard
That's what I'm
told me.
supposed to say.
Are you scared? Yeah.
1 minute.
You wanna give me a hug? It's
Oh.
okay. You wanna go ahead?
That-
Go ahead. Tell him your name.
Look.
What's
Pretty
that?
faces.
I know.
We took them last night.
We
Lips.
did.
I
Hey,
mean,
what happened to hooking up the internet?
Okay, I thought you were gonna tell us a story.
Sure.
Ryan's telling me a story. Hold on.
Once
Okay.
upon a time, there was
It's okay. Go ahead. He didn't mean it.
sorry.
Stay out of it.
a puppy was lost, and then his parents found him.
Alright.
Then he got lost again.
Uh-oh.
Then he was on a mountain. Got stuck.
Wow.
And then a transformer tried to save him.
He did.
But the other transformer knocked him off.
Uh-oh.
Then Optimus Prime saved him.
That was his name?
So that pretty good.
Wow. Okay. Is that the end of the story?
No.
No? Okay, keep going.
Some more?
Hey,
And then
I don't think it's funny.
Optimus Prime got the bad guys down.
Turn around
He
here.
did.
Uh-huh.
You think it's funny?
Good. Is that the end?
Yeah. The end.
Good job. Thank you.
Well,